the last set of awards for standalone restaurants. To give away the first set of awards in this category, I'd like to invite a very dear friend, the star, the film star, the rock star, Ranveer Brar. Can I invite Pesi Anjanya from Zweisel to join Ranveer Brar on stage? At number 21, Daryaganj, Aerocity, New Delhi. At number 20, Mizu Ikaya, Mumbai. At number 19, Akina, Mumbai. At number 18, La Loca Maria, Mumbai. And number 17, personal favorite, Cavatina by Avinash Martin, Goa. Number 16, Olive Bar and Kitchen. Number 15, Izumi Bandra. Number 14, Tres, New Delhi. Number 13, Farmlo, Bangalore. It's getting more and more exciting. Number 12, Inja, New Delhi. I'd like to invite on stage somebody who's very close to my heart, a dear friend, Sabas, and his beautiful wife, Poonam Joseph, on stage. Can I also call on stage Saubhagya Mahapatra of Atmosphere Corp to join us on stage? Number 11, Kapachaka Kandari, Chennai. Number 10, Hosa, Goa. Number 9, Masala Library, Mumbai. Number 8, Comorin, Gurugram. Number 7, Nar Kasoli. Number 6, the Bombay Canteen, Mumbai. All right, Sanjeev, can we have you on stage with Aliona? Can I also invite Parmeen Chandra to join us on stage?
Yeah, I think we have younger people. I think let me call FoodFood young director Carol Goyal with Rachita Kapoor. Top 5 in this country, and I'm also seeing it because I'm not part of juries. So at number 5, Mumbai restaurant Amadeo. At number 4, very, very popular restaurant, actually, Bastion, Mumbai. Number 3, restaurant I've been planning to go for a very long time, but बहुत दूर बनाया है, इसलिए नहीं जा पाया हूँ अभी तक. The Table.
So the number 2 restaurant is Mask Mumbai.
Okay, now that we have everyone on stage, I think there is one person who's left. Let's call the number 1 Indian accent.
I really want to thank the jury. I want to thank FoodFood, Sanjeev, Sandeep, young Carol, Rachita, Aliona. This is, and of course, Shafkat, who does tie up the entire industry in his thread of love. These truly are the most credible awards anywhere because the industry and our peer group votes, and so it means a lot to us. It's our 3rd year in a row. It's also the 15th year of Indian Accent. So we're really fortunate and lucky to still be around. This young man is working his magic, as is a very large team. And thank you so much for thinking of us so highly for so many years. We're really very grateful. Thank you.
By and large, everything has been said. Thank you, the jury. Thank you, team. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the entire opportunity and the awards. Keeps us going for long.
Thank you, Radhaya. Thanks, Sanjeev. Thank you, Aliona. Thank you, everybody.
So it's fantastic to be here at the FoodFood Awards और FoodFood Awards FoodFood की तरह हमेशा से surprises से भरे थे. More importantly, honesty से भरे थे and love for food से भरे थे. It was great to meet the industry. हर साल मैं look forward करता हूँ कि FoodFood Awards में इंडस्ट्री peers से मिलूंगा, सारे शेफ से मिलूंगा. ये वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर पूरी इंडस्ट्री एक साथ आती है. All of us come together and celebrate food and food.
Fantastic experience. It's a hat trick. Third year of being number one in the industry for Indian accent. I think FoodFood is really the most credible award scheme in the entire country because the voters, the jury are the industry itself. So it seems really nice to be recognized by a peer group.
We're thrilled to have received the special recognition for the FoodFood 2024 Restaurant Awards for Parsi Dhaba at Della Resorts. We are honored and very excited to welcome each and every one of you to come and try out our experience.
Thank you very much to the jury and to the committee who selected us.
We've had a spectacular event, the Top 50 FoodFood Awards 2024 at the Four Seasons was a rocking hit. Everyone from the industry was shining and I think it was all in all a fabulous event.
Big congratulations again to all our winners. You are really the best in our business. I wish all of you the very, very best and see you again next year.
मज़ा आ गया. FoodFood Awards Top 50 Restaurant Awards 2024. कुछ ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट जो प्रेडिक्टेबल थे, कुछ ऐसे जो सोचा ही नहीं था कि इस लिस्ट में आ सकते हैं. अवार्ड का मज़ा यही होता है. कुछ लोग बहुत खुश होते हैं और कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि अरे ये कैसे अवार्ड हैं, ये किसको दे दिया, ये थोड़ी डिज़र्व करता था. लेकिन ज्यूरी जो है उनको पता है कि कौन सा रेस्टोरेंट अच्छा है, कौन सा नहीं. कीप वॉचिंग FoodFood Awards 2024.